All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our AI Learning Agent project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. And the last time we spoke, I did show you a code that we have for an agent. That was just a generic code that we had that I had put together from different codes that I found online. This one here is a one-of-a-kind, tailor-made specifically for me. I'm going to use this one strictly for business and professional use only. Yeah, it's a lot more upgraded. It's a lot more powerful and has a lot more capabilities. Not only can it talk to us, it can create, and not only can it create, it can actually it can actually save new concepts that it learns to its memory. So with all that being said, let me get and start running it now so we can actually see exactly what we're doing here with this code. So let's get and fire it up. So you can see right off the back is asking me, what do I want to do? First and foremost, let's say print out, print, hi, mommy, and mama. Just give it something simple to see what it does. So as you can see, it has our print right here, hi, mommy, and mama. Now let's see if we can get a little more complicated. Let's reverse this string and Python. I'm gonna just give it a string here. Long live Gates. Let's see if we can actually do this and see what happens. I was going to create a game, but we do games all the time. I'm trying something a little more complicated, and I actually put it in the wrong box. This was a feedback box, so let me actually put it in the command box so we can get that going. So let's get and do that. Let's go here, and then we do that. So look, it looks, see, satay, evil, no, whatever that means, but it did reverse our string in Python. Let me see if it actually printed out the Python here, so you can see original string equals long live Gates. Reverse string equals original string. It actually printed out the entire code for us. So when you run this code with output, and it gives us the feedback. So like I said, this new agent is a lot more powerful and a lot more capable, and it can do a lot more. So I deleted the one from the I showed you previously on my GitHub, and I replaced it with this one. This is going to be our main agent that we're going to be doing everything with from now on. I'm actually going to still do our cryptocurrency project, and I'm going to be using this agent to do that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. But before I do that, let me actually show you what happens when I quit the agent. What happens here when we quit it? It'll actually save the concepts that it learned to its memory. So let me go down and see if it actually started that process already. So yeah, so you learn concepts high, print, mommy, string, this, and reverse. So you can see it is learning concepts and it is saving these concepts to its memory. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.